Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2013 Honda Pilot Touring. This one's white. Under the hood's a 3.5 V6. This one comes with 18-inch wheels. Tires are in good condition. A black leather interior. Sunroof. Also has third row seating. Coming around back here, we've got our Pilot Touring 4-wheel drive badging. Power liftgate. All season floor mats. The third row seats do fold down. Coming around back here, we've got our rear seat entertainment, our rear climate controls, a power outlet, and our video inputs. Coming around front, got memory seats, power windows, power seats. Hopping in here, we've got our steering wheel controls. Let's go ahead and start the car up here. We've got a rear view backup camera, navigation, our radio, dual climate controls, heated seats, cup holders. This vehicle has 88,268 miles. If you'd like to view more photos of this Honda, check out feldmanimports.com.